going into the military for Navy, originally programming, IT guy, working on computers and technology. I saw this course and I couldn't really pass up the deal for a free license. Taking everything in this course was free. I was really shocked on what gear we were using, building the drones, taking care of them, flying them. And when I saw the Navy was also taking drone courses, I really wanted to take this because I didn't want to spend $3,000 to end up taking the drone course myself.
This is the first year for the course. It just started in January. Our superintendent, Dr. John Scola, came up with the idea and he went out into the community, asked for donations. So this whole course is funded through donations and not through taxpayer money. Even the students' testing fee has been funded through donations.
When I heard the offer, I was like, that's hard to pass up because it's such a great opportunity and not a lot of people have this opportunity. And I mean, with how technology is changing and how drones are becoming more and more popular, you never know like if it's a possible career choice I want to take.
The students are starting off the class with building their own drones using a kit that we hope this will enable the students to understand how drones go together and be able to troubleshoot drones in the future if that's part of their future. We are also learning how to fly our drones, and then we are studying for our FAA pilot's license. When our students graduate from Hanover High School, they will have their pilot's license. They'll be able to go out into the world and fly their drones. Right now, the average drone salary is $80,000 a year, so they have a pretty bright future if they choose to use it.